Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now guys, the clip that you just saw, that is Uma Khumalo's sister. She just recently bought a new car, you guys, a beautiful new car. One of the people that's actually taking the video is actually Uthobile. If you'd watch or if you follow Uthobile on Instagram, or if you've been watching Uthando Nesthembu for a very long time, you know Uma Khumalo's sister Usamke. They are always together, you guys. And this is a beautiful thing, to see Inganza Bantu one all together, you guys, because we know Uthobile is doing very well for herself, guys, outside of the Msilikwa household. She alone, why Kinje, she's doing very well. So to see also her sisters doing well, I'm just like, this is a beautiful thing to see in Ganzabantu winning all together, to see them get along so well. But we also want to say, congratulations, Makuman Sebenzile, beautiful car. May the Lord continue to bless, her and bless, the Khumalo household, because it does look like these women are really hard-working women, you guys, and they're not the type of women that just because they're beautiful, they just sit down and wait for a man to do things for them. They really are hard-working women, including Uthobile. Anyway, you guys, Uthobile is the one who actually posted this video. You can see she tagged Usamke at the bottom, basically congratulating her sister for this big achievement, or for hitting this milestone or this goal or whatever it was in her life. Anyway, guys, please do tell me what you think about it, or send your congratulations messages in the comment section down below. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.